You might find this hard to believe, but there are everyday cooked vegetables. Yes, the same ones sitting right in your kitchen that can actually protect and even repair aging eyes while you sleep. It sounds almost too simple, but stay with me. After working with older adults for more than 30 years, I can tell you this. One of the hardest struggles to watch is the slow loss of clear vision. Not being able to drive at night with confidence. Not recognizing your grandchildren's faces across the room. Struggling to read a menu, a book, or even your own handwriting without straining your eyes. It can be frustrating to keep asking others to read things for you, or even frightening to step outside when the world starts to look blurry, faded, like an old memory slipping away. And the cruel part is this. It usually happens so gradually, you barely notice until it's already limiting your independence. Does that sound familiar? Now let me be very clear. This is not your fault. Your eyes age just like the rest of your body. But that doesn't mean you're powerless. In fact, the very foods you've been eating your whole life may hold the key. When cooked in the right way, certain vegetables can quietly nourish and support your eyes, even while you rest at night. Today, I'm going to walk you through 4 powerful vegetables, starting with the classic hero you've heard about for years, and ending with one that's so underrated, yet may offer the strongest support of all. If this is your first time here, welcome to Trusted Senior Health. This channel is dedicated to helping you take back control of your health, one gentle, science-backed step at a time. Here, we focus on practical solutions designed especially for seniors. Simple changes you can actually stick with without relying on harsh medications or complicated routines. Because your health should be empowering, not overwhelming. So, if that sounds like what you've been searching for, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button and join our growing family of seniors who are choosing to live stronger, healthier, and more independent lives. Now, let's dive right into the first vegetable. This one has been quietly protecting our eyesight for generations, yet very few people actually know how to prepare it in a way that unlocks its full power. Vegetable number 1, carrots. You've probably heard it all your life. Carrots are good for your eyes. And while many brush it off as just an old saying, the truth is, it's not a myth. It's scientifically proven, especially when it comes to aging eyes that struggle with night vision or glare from headlights. Carrots are loaded with beta-carotene, the natural pigment that gives them their bright orange color. But here's what really matters. Once you eat carrots, your body converts that beta-carotene into vitamin A. And vitamin A is essential for making a special protein called rhodopsin. Rhodopsin lives inside the rods of your retina, the very part of your eye that allows you to see in low light. Without enough vitamin A, these light-sensitive cells can't regenerate properly. That's when problems start. Night vision gets blurry, headlights feel blinding, and even simple evening drives become stressful. Now here's something most people don't realize. Eating raw carrots won't give you the full benefit. That's because beta-carotene is a fat-soluble nutrient, meaning your body absorbs it best when it's combined with a little healthy fat. And it becomes even more powerful once the carrots are gently cooked. Think of it like unlocking a safe. In raw carrots, the nutrients are locked inside tough plant fibers. Cooking softens those fibers and breaks open the cell walls, releasing more beta-carotene. Then, when you pair those cooked carrots with something like olive oil, ghee, or even a small pat of butter, your body absorbs it much more efficiently. Suddenly, you're not just eating a vegetable, you're fueling your retina. And here's why the timing matters. Your body does most of its repair work at night, when your eyes finally get a break from constant exposure to light. That means if you eat cooked carrots with a healthy fat at dinner, your body can absorb, convert, and use that vitamin A right when your eyes are in their natural rebuilding phase. This is nourishment at its best. No pills, no side effects, just real food, doing what food was designed to do. I remember one of my patients, Harold, a 72-year-old retired mail carrier and proud grandfather. He came to me frustrated. "Doc, I can't see house numbers at night anymore. I feel like I've lost my confidence." Together, we made one simple change. I asked him to eat roasted carrots with dinner 3 nights a week. Just carrots drizzled with olive oil, a sprinkle of sea salt, nothing complicated. 6 weeks later, he came back smiling. I drove to my daughter's house the other night, and for the first time in years, the street signs were clear. It felt like someone cleaned the windshield inside my eyes. That's the quiet power of nourishment. Carrots may seem ordinary, but when cooked and paired wisely, they can restore more than just vision. They can restore freedom, confidence, and clarity in your everyday life. Vegetable number 2, broccoli. While carrots sharpen your ability to see in the dark, broccoli works on something even deeper. It helps protect the delicate structure of your eyes from silent damage caused by inflammation. Most people think of inflammation as something they can feel, like joint pain or swelling. But inside the eyes, inflammation works quietly. It damages tiny blood vessels, weakens retinal cells, and over time, it slowly robs us of sharp, clear vision. That's where broccoli steps in. This humble green vegetable is one of the few that naturally contains both antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, making it a strong defender of aging eyes. Its dark green florets are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, two powerful nutrients that your body sends straight to the macula, the central part of your retina responsible for reading, recognizing faces, and seeing fine details. Think of the macula as the lens of a camera. Over the years, constant exposure to light, stress, and free radicals can cloud that lens. That's when age-related issues like macular degeneration begin to appear, blurred central vision, wavy lines, or dark spots right in the center of your sight. Here's the good news. Lutein and zeaxanthin from broccoli can help slow this damage and even support repair of weakened retinal tissue. But there's a catch. They have to be absorbed properly. Raw broccoli has tough fibers that trap these nutrients. But when broccoli is lightly steamed until tender, those fibers break down and the nutrients are released, ready for your body to absorb. Pair it with a small amount of healthy fat, like olive oil or even a sprinkle of cheese, and absorption improves even more. That's because lutein and zeaxanthin, just like beta-carotene in carrots, are fat-soluble. They need that bit of fat to hitch a ride into your bloodstream. For older adults, where every small improvement in eyesight matters, this kind of gentle, consistent support can make a real difference. I remember a patient named Gloria who once told me, "I used to love reading, but now the words just float off the page." We added something simple, half a cup of steamed broccoli with dinner, a few times each week. A month later, she wasn't back to reading novels cover to cover, but she could read her mail without squinting, and that small victory brought the biggest smile to her face. That's how healing works. Quietly, naturally, over time. Broccoli may not seem exciting, but when it comes to protecting your eyes from the inside out, it is one of the strongest allies you could ask for. Vegetable number 3, kale. Among all the vegetables that support healthy vision, kale quietly sits at the very top. It might look like just another dark, tough leafy green, but don't be fooled. Kale is one of the richest natural sources of eye protective nutrients we know of, especially for people at risk of serious vision loss. The biggest threat for many seniors is age-related macular degeneration, often called AMD. AMD isn't just a little blurry vision. It's the gradual breakdown of the macula, the center of your retina that controls sharp, detailed sight. When the macula starts to weaken, everyday life changes. Reading becomes exhausting, faces become hard to recognize, and even something as simple as pouring a glass of water can feel uncertain. This is where kale shines. It contains extremely high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin, the same pigments that naturally exist in your macula. These pigments act like built-in sunglasses, shielding your eyes from harmful blue light and oxidative stress. Here's the important part. Your body doesn't produce lutein and zeaxanthin on its own. You must get them from food, and kale delivers them in abundance, especially when it's lightly cooked. Raw kale does have nutrients, but it also contains compounds that block mineral absorption and can irritate your stomach if eaten too often. By lightly steaming or sautéing kale, you not only make it easier to digest, but you also unlock those vision-saving nutrients hidden deep inside the leaves. Even better, Cooked kale retains vitamin C and vitamin K, two nutrients that support healthy circulation to the eyes and strengthen the tiny capillaries inside the retina. I once worked with a retired librarian named Marie, age 79, who had already lost part of her central vision in one eye. Her biggest fear was waking up one day and not being able to see her family's faces clearly. We kept it simple. 3 or 4 times a week, she ate just a quarter cup of steamed kale, drizzled with olive oil and a touch of lemon juice to soften the flavor. Did it reverse her vision loss? No. Nothing can undo advanced AMD. But it did help slow the progression. And more importantly, it gave her back a sense of control. Instead of sitting by helplessly, she was actively protecting the vision she still had. And that matters, because sometimes healing isn't about turning back the clock, it's about holding on to what you still have and strengthening it. So, if you've ever been told there's nothing more that can be done, remember this. Your body still listens to nourishment. Your eyes are still responding. And kale may be the quiet, steady protector they've been waiting for. Vegetable number 4 is zucchini. Zucchini is one of those vegetables many people overlook. It's soft, mild in taste, and often treated like nothing more than a filler in meals. But when it comes to aging eyes, especially if you struggle with dryness, irritation, or fragile retinal tissue, zucchini is actually a quiet but powerful ally. One of the most underappreciated causes of eye discomfort in older adults is simple: dehydration. As we age, our bodies lose moisture more easily. Tear production slows down, and the delicate tissues of the eyes, the retina, optic nerve, and macula, become more vulnerable to pressure, dryness, and oxidative stress. That's where zucchini steps in. Made up of more than 90% water, zucchini is one of the most hydrating cooked vegetables you can eat. But it doesn't stop at hydration. Zucchini also contains a unique mix of nutrients that helps strengthen and protect aging eyes. First, it provides vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that shields your eyes from damage caused by light exposure and the natural aging process. Vitamin C also supports the collagen structure of the eye, helping keep the cornea, sclera, and tiny blood vessels strong and flexible. Second, zucchini delivers a modest but important amount of manganese, a trace mineral that activates enzymes in the retina. These enzymes are critical for processing light and for defending your eye tissue from free radicals, the unstable molecules that slowly break it down over time. And while zucchini doesn't contain as much lutein as kale or broccoli, it still provides a supportive dose. The beauty of zucchini, however, is that it's incredibly easy to digest, even for seniors with sensitive stomachs or reduced appetite. Its soft texture and neutral flavor make it easy to steam, sauté, or blend into soups without overwhelming your taste buds. This makes zucchini an excellent evening food, gentle on the stomach but powerful for the eyes, especially before bed when your body begins its natural repair cycle. I once worked with Tom, an 81-year-old who had been struggling with chronic dry eyes and nighttime irritation. Eye drops gave him temporary relief, but the problem always came back. So we added cooked zucchini to his dinner 4 nights a week, softly sautéed in olive oil with garlic and just a pinch of salt. Within weeks, he noticed the difference. His eyes no longer felt gritty. He stopped rubbing them before bed. And best of all, his sleep improved. "Feels like I can finally close my eyes without them stinging," he told me. That may sound small, but when you're 81 and struggling just to get comfortable at night, it's life-changing. Zucchini may not reverse vision loss, but it helps create the right conditions for healing. It hydrates, soothes, and quietly delivers nutrients where your eyes need them most. Proof that sometimes the gentlest foods offer the strongest support. Now imagine this. What if you didn't have to choose between carrots, broccoli, kale, and zucchini? What if you could combine all 4 into one simple, soothing dish that feeds your vision while you sleep? That's exactly what I want to share with you next. Because when you put these vegetables together, prepared the right way, they don't just work individually, they work as a team. One supports night vision, another calms inflammation, one guards against macular damage, and the last hydrates and soothes. Together, they become a gentle, healing formula for your eyes. And the best part? You don't need anything fancy. This isn't some trendy detox or expensive superfood bowl. It's a warm, comforting meal I've recommended to dozens of my patients over the years, many in their 60s, 70s, and 80s. And the response I hear most often is the same. Doctor, I had no idea food could do this. Here's how you can. Make it. Start with a small pot and add a drizzle of olive oil. Gently sauté half a chopped zucchini until it begins to soften. Then add half a chopped carrot and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, letting it release its natural sweetness. Next, toss in a handful of broccoli florets and a quarter cup of chopped kale. Add a few tablespoons of water or low-sodium broth. Cover the pot and let everything steam together for another 5 minutes, just until the greens are tender but still vibrant. Season lightly with sea salt. For extra support, you can add a squeeze of lemon or even a sprinkle of turmeric to boost its anti-inflammatory benefits. What you'll end up with is a bowl full of warmth, softness, and strength. Easy to chew, easy to digest, and packed with exactly the nutrients your eyes need, delivered just in time for your body's nightly repair cycle. Some of my patients prefer to blend it into a creamy soup. Others enjoy it with a slice of soft whole-grain toast or a little rice on the side. There's no single right way to eat it. What matters most is consistency. Try this meal 3 to 4 evenings a week, and give it time. At first, the results may feel subtle, less eye strain, a little more clarity, but over weeks, those small improvements add up. Quietly, steadily, powerfully, and maybe most importantly, this simple dish can become more than just nutrition. It can become a ritual of care, a gentle reminder to your body that you're still showing up, still giving it what it needs, still willing to heal. If you've made it this far, I want to pause and say something important. Thank you. Thank you for caring enough about your eyes, your health, and your future to stay with me through this conversation. That tells me something powerful about you. Even if your vision has slipped, even if you've been told it's just part of aging, you haven't given up. And that matters more than any diagnosis. The truth is, aging does take things from us. It often happens so quietly. Colors lose their contrast. Night driving becomes stressful, and you find yourself squinting more often just to read a simple label. Sometimes it's so gradual, you don't realize how much you've adapted until the world feels dimmer than it should. But here's the hope I want to leave you with. Your body still responds to care. Even in your 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond, your cells continue to rebuild. Your eyes continue to heal in small but meaningful ways. And the food you choose can either accelerate decline or help slow it, protect what remains, and even bring some clarity back. For simple vegetables, carrots, broccoli, kale, and zucchini, gently cooked and enjoyed a few nights a week. That's not a prescription. That's not a burden. That's a small act of love for yourself, for your independence, and for the life you still want to see clearly. So wherever you are in your journey, whether you've just noticed the early signs of strain or you're living with a diagnosis like macular degeneration, remember this. You are not helpless, you are not too late, and you are certainly not alone. Healing doesn't always mean reversing what's already been lost. Sometimes it means protecting what you still have. Sometimes it means choosing to fight for clarity, one bite at a time. Now, if this message gave you hope or taught you something new, do me a favor. Click that like button so I know you're out there. Subscribe if you'd like more science-backed ways to protect your health naturally and gently. And please share this video with someone you love, especially if they're struggling with their eyesight and could use a little light in their life. And before you go, don't stop here. On the screen, you'll see more of our videos. Tap one of those videos and keep learning, because your health journey doesn't end here, it continues. Until next time, this is Trusted Senior Health. Thank you for watching. Thank you for caring. And never forget, your comeback doesn't have to be loud. It just has to be consistent.